Hello learners and welcome to our channel, The English Learner. In today's video, we're going to learn how to build a successful conversation. First, what is a conversation? A conversation is when we share words with each other to tell a story, ask questions, or just chat. "90% of our daily life is based on conversations, whether with friends, parents, teachers, and even with our own selves.
But how can we build a successful conversation?
Easy. Start with hi. Greet the person you want to start a conversation with, and there you go, you just started a conversation. It's not necessary to know the person in front of you to start a conversation. You can start a conversation with a stranger. Let's see a small example. You're in a cafeteria alone, and you saw a woman reading your favorite book. Here's how it goes.
Excuse me, is that Agatha Christie's book you're reading?
Yes, it is.
It's a really great book, and the plot twist at the end is mind-blowing.
Really? Did you read it?
Yes, I just finished it last week.
I started it yesterday and I'm already in the middle of it. I can't wait to finish it.
Oh, believe me, you don't want to. I wish I can forget it to reread it again.
Here. I have another book with me. It has the same energy. You should read it too.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome, but don't finish it in a day.
No, I won't. Now, let's see another example of a conversation between two friends. You're with a friend planning to go to the beach next Monday. Here's how it goes.
Hey there! What's up?
Hey. All is good, you?
I'm great. I was just checking on our plan. We still going, right?
Yes, we do. But I heard that it's gonna rain next Monday.
Really? Then if it does, we cancel the plan?
Unfortunately. Or we can go on Wednesday if you're free.
Sure, that's a good idea. See you on Wednesday then. See ya.
Again, we built a conversation, but this time on an information that we already have. And the difference between the two conversations is: the first one is formal, since it was between two strangers and it was built by a coincidence. The second one was informal between two friends.
That was all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.